Thank you, Shibi. Love you, Shebada. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. All of the want a negative if you glad for me and do it. If I lie or not tell, can neither uno nor do it. Can't left me. Yeah. Don't chat me. Chat me, Shivi, don't. Yeah. Thank you. I'm glad do it say no one come back on my page. They say I'm take him off on my page because I'm not back my husband. I hide him from him because I'm too devious. I'm afraid to look on him on my page and take him off with no eyes. So no more do it for no, but do it for me. So when I tell him the son I can't get him, I'm glad. Woo! On the right and antagonize and I feel like some go shame. But me not tell people them things. Me show the people them everything on the right. Cause me can't take it. Cause God make me as a hog, a pig, a swine, one goat, one drunker, one cockroach, one mosquito, one butterfly, and one bird. Fly, Queenie. Fly. Yeah.
Yeah, like I said, me just I go along with the narrative, But anyways, today was Roro's birthday. And say it was boy, them revisit the grave, you see me, I say people. So let's take a look.
R.I.P. Roro. Happy birthday at the same time. Say yes, Sky, you blessed 34 birthday. Last year, I there in Jamaica. I never there for your birthday, but I'm here now. You're dead and gone, where I live off of your memory. Happy birthday, Rochelle. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Roro. Happy hooray. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless your soul. 2 years ago, me and Rochelle in the bed of double time. A Rochelle style is breadfruit, roast or fry, roast or fry. You want breadfruit? Just tell me if you want breadfruit. Breadfruit. You want breadfruut? Just give it a down, breadfruit. Roast or fry, roast or fry. R.I.P. my pitney. May your soul rest in peace. I used to be my guardian angel. I know you are, but I still have to tell you, darling, guide your mama because me need the guidance. Shut up, Nas.
Okay, people, Dancehall Queen Spice is making the promo runs again. That didn't sound right. People, big up Spice. You don't know the things that she did that on Tamron Hall show earlier today, as special guest performer. And she talk up the things them a little bit, you see me, I say. And she also big up Vibes Cartel and things, you know what I mean? So it's a good look for the king and queen of dancehall because she did that on two networks, the ABC network, again with Tamron Hall, and she did that on Fox 5. And, them that talk about how Obama, had go down there in his favorite track playlist, you feel what I'm saying? Because she's set to go to Las Vegas this week to collect her first Grammy for her first album. You don't know the things that we broke the story the other day that Spice won the Grammy because she had the Grammy nomination party. And people only have those type of parties if them know what go on from one not to go on. And say the Wonder Girl, they're on the Grammy board and Shaggy and all of these people. So big up yourself, the queen of dancehall, I'm just giving them an update what go on with her. You see me, I say, hopefully after the Grammys we can get the different category music video. I'm pretty sure we're going to get it after that because it's in a different category. So let's proceed. Hey, Shenseea salt, people. Me not lie, apple salt up Shenseea, you feel what I'm saying? Because all when the girl of mine her business, fear life, her personal life, is upsetting others. You feel what I'm saying? We all know Shenseea is in dire need of album sales and she has to do what she can to do to make money to pay back the Interscope, And you know, she did a promotion for the Rolex company. What they we not advertise them for free. So we just like I said, the Rolex company that does second hands. You know, these are after diamond market. You know, these are not the original bust downs. You know, yeah, but these are aftermarket diamonds. You know what I mean? You see me? I said they're probably like $4,000 each, $3,000 each. You know what I mean? Yeah, but anyway, she gifted her team, or some of her team, rollies. You know, she left out Dizzy and Russia and Sal and all of these things. Boy, Shenseea really look away, you know. But nevertheless, Popcaan brother-in-law took to his Instagram page to diss Popcaan. You know what I mean? In light of Shenseea gifting her teammate, you know, for being good to her. You know what I mean? And you know, it's not nice. A Popcaan brother-in-law, you know, producer for Gaza one time and Alkaline and all these people. So he took to his Instagram page a few hours ago and said, Shenseea out here. Wow, he name dropping too. Shenseea out here handing out Rolex watches, and not even a thanks me ever get from an artist. Gratitude is a must. And we all know a Popcaan in my talk, you see me I say, because why? A lot of people around Popcaan has issues with him being tight with the money, you know. You know what I mean? You know, Cartel and Sean Slam did I this a Poppy one time because them they tight with the money. You know what I mean? Jaffincy left Popcaan, they want to book him ticket and all of these things, and we know Jafras and Quaida left the camp, you see me? But anyway, Popcaan addressed this situation some time ago. I don't know if he addressed it yet, depending on when I drop this review, but in the meantime, this is what he has to say about Not Nice situation.
It's like your memory gone out the heavens, youth. It's like you have no memory at all. Because when time you I left Gaza, me look upon you and me say, brother, don't left Gaza. Hold it. You say no, you're cut. And I see him thing make me head it vex. First of all. And you go upon here, say you go this cartel and me say, don't this man, brother. And you go there, go hold up your laptop and say you studio this now. It's like you have no memory, youth. And me still say, yo, brother, you're teacher enough, you have nothing. And you say, yo, teach at this year and take away your equipment them. And I say, yo, I call the DJ and I say, G, you have to run Black Not Nice thing them, because Not Nice a family, a Europe man a forward from too. And do that, you see me? Now I like see your man a beg no friend for no man youth. I want to you see me? But me have to make you people them know say out. Them boy are some priests them. That me I tell you. Them not like see me I win. Anytime me I go up higher them vex. Even man where I say, you fear win. When me I go up higher them vex. Like say yo, them want change up your vision now. You see me? Yeah? Anyhow. I go so boom now. Him say yo. Him a left Gaza. I say fine. After that, all long now. This bomb buckler man ya. Dead, nobody na voice him. I'm go and go do a tune, a girl tune. You see me? A tune here, it's too bad. I remember the day when Liquid I played that tune, the Liquid I say, yo, papi, you're really youth, because I love how you're going to give Not Nice strength again. And from that, I never stop give you strength, youth. I forward and do much in it. It's after that for youth. I forward and say, we still out. I forward and say, bomb buckler, overdo it. All of them sitting there, youth. You see me? Ton load of hits man still forward and gear youth. Where they me I do vanquish, me drive forward the yard and link and say, brother, me I do a project in a bad man. And you see, I can't put out project and Not Nice to depend it. And I see you play some rhythm. And I play rhythm and I say, roll them girl like black dice, like Drizzy, we have mob ties. You see me? So I know when you go on like you want, feel like you can style it thing in a bad man, you look a nerd bum buckler glass in a youth. Because I'm not even a follow on up in a dog. You see me? Me not have to do nothing for look no attention from none of you, because you can't do nothing for me, dog. You see me, and me name Manuel boss, brother. Worldwide youth. And the only thing I know some look local thing and corner thing. And the only thing a worldwide bum buckler thing. I want to know that, because I want to go around the world with me, I want to see it for myself. So nobody go on like you know an idiot. You talk about me vexed man finna sign for annual. I'm vexed man finna sign for annual. I think I love man youth. Fuck there, boy. You a talk about you speak facts. You speak be a trash youth. You a tell people about how much me vexed man finna in annual camp. Me not love man youth. Me I give man strength. When I forward and say yo, unruly camp. Boy, they pan the freezer, chill like beach. Quadra, they not even know them that go sing, say. And me just stay out, see line there, wanna sing them there. You see me? Tune already, layout already. Nobody ramp with me thing, youth. Why would I take up artists and I carry them and playing with me when I sign to annually? I pussy do them thing there. If me did I run down money and I run down this and that, would I take up man and I give them so much strength and make them a rep unruly? I mean, know if a fact say them is not signed to my label. Brother, I don't feel like you can twist nothing here so bad, man. I'm to you. I don't tell you already, you know, dog. I don't tell you already, brother. If you not deal with 100 and realness, me not depend on depend, brother. Cause first thing, the reason why I make evil me and you reach panel levels of youth, because me and you got England. And if you wish to speak the truth, you wish to speak the truth, you have to tell the bumbuckler people them this. Me and you go London, my first tour, you did a play round Blood Clot Sound. And that is a tour me keep off of my own. You see me? It's not like a promoter book me and me do that, me and mini them, you see me? We got mini. We got London, my town. Anyhow, I stay so boom here now. Me and him mash up the world and thing. We found at Jamaica. Normally when I get book for sure, I just go so boom, run money per man, cause promoter done book show already. You see me? No, I not do that. Because it was a different thing. It was a case where me keep the thing off of my own, so the money not go forward in as quick as how it would have forward in when a promoter about me. The man for the Jamaica and start stay wide. I pray me for money, dog. When I tell the people them that, say I that first you start pre me for. And when I call you, I say, oh, link up I studio, you not link me. And a different man if you tell me, say, that make you not link me because you say, me, you got London and you London, me not give you money. Brother, I saw no move youth. Money is not all in a killie. Money is not all. You say me no show respect. Who show respect like Popcaan? To all the elderly artists, them youth. Wanna do it like me? When people are talk about oh me in a Gaza and cartel, me sell out cartel and re. You ever see me gonna go this cartel yet? You ever see me do that yet? And I see man still show cartel respect. Because him do a thing for me what me can't ever forget. Him give me that start there. When no matter what cartel say about me and when you want to say, I'm a G, I'm a general. Me never ever forget. You see me? Me never ever forget what you do for me. Our thing I no money thing, cartel, I'm a family, I'm a G. Because you look for me when me never have nothing to say, youth forward. Go on up the ladder too. You see me? So me no want a man feel that them can style me thing with them look at 5 bills bomb buckler itself. Oh, I'm to you. Pussy wipe off your lens them off your glass, man, and see life clearer and clean up your heart. I'm to you. Ramp with me youth. Vibes Cartel can tell people say and me I mean in a loyalty, brother. I'm to you. On how much in people try this cartel. Everybody where him help. Try this him and go try tarnish his name on internet and social media. Popcaan never do that yet. I just big up cartel youth. Cause what him do, it can't change. What him set, it can't change. I hit this now. When they look on Popcaan, you see say your cartel give a youth they push and he make use of it. He never did run and try sell out cartel and but oh cartel now do this and do that youth. Me, I last artist about Panic Gaza Black. And me wait, me humble. And wait till my time reach, brother. Me never try skip a line one set in a bumbuckler music, you know. Like some pussy, you know. Oh, me hold my own, brother. Me fight that fight in a music, you know. For reach me there. You know that too not nice. Pussy. You know the fight me get in a music. I'm still there. And you a try to add to the fight too. Oh no man. More no fight I stronger me get. You know see. Look on bumbuckler roof. You can't stop me ever, youth. No care when you go run and susu, no look up batty man mouth. You feel like you can't stop Popcaan? Me unstoppable, brother. When me fought from a 4 mile, me used to walk to school every day. Feel like man thing at some look up make up story. Every day me used to walk 4 miles to school. And my real dogs them know that. I'm tell you. Feel like no boy can tell me about struggles or sufferation, pussy. Me know that for myself, dog. When me forward from DV, internet not they all know. Oh, I'm too no. Me fight the fight and forward out strong. I'm blood clot real people them proud of me. Cause them see say Popcaan is a youth. Him no try skip no line. In a music. Popcaan, hold it. No matter what they say about me, there see him with pussy. And I can't move. I can't move, brother. How not gonna move me? I sing about vision till I go in my dream, brother. I start live my dream and some man vex. You feel like my first car was a Beamer or blood clot Benz. My first car was a Honda Youth, was a Honda Accord. You see me? And me never did pre no man Benz or them Beamer with them up, brother. Nah, bad man. I hold my own hungry until me buy my first Beamer. Brother, big up yourself, you know. Full force, you know, youth. Yeah, I always hold it in a music. I never try to skip a line once yet. No matter what I go on. I hold it. Protege. More life, my brother.
Dancehall artist Skillibeng to make his first appearance in the US this May. You know he was over in the UK the other day. A coffee gifted album release party, you know. And you know he signed to an international record label as well, RCA. I think Sony owns them, you know what I mean? I mean, I lie, this trap dancehall, I think that Skillibeng really have it, you know, because his flows and punchline, it come in like the rapper them, you see me I say, and I know he'll be able to rap for a lot of rappers, you know what I mean? As we say, Bobby Smurda and Nicki Minaj working with him and things. So this is definitely a good look for him and stuff, you know. I would like to see what kind of appearances he's gonna make now that he's on a major record label, you know. I don't know if he's gonna do the local thing too tough, but that's again that update what I go on with the artist them. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell because I run and say get the latest in dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Blessed.